Test tomorrow and you haven't studied at all? Don't panic. Seriously, you can still save yourself tonight. Forget about messy cramming sessions and all-nighters that leave you exhausted. I'm about to share the exact plan that will turn your one night of studying into a powerful, focused session. Ready to crush it? Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your space. First things first, find a quiet spot where you can actually focus. Make sure it has good lighting because your brain works better when you can see clearly. Clear off your desk or table, get rid of any clutter that might distract you. And seriously, put your phone away. Turn it off, put it on airplane mode, or leave it in another room. You don't want it stealing your attention every few minutes. Next, gather everything you need for studying: your textbooks, notes, pens, highlighters, and a bottle of water. Staying hydrated helps keep your brain sharp. When your space is clean and ready, your mind feels calmer and more focused, so take a moment to breathe and get comfortable before you dive in. Step 2. Make a priority list. Now, don't make the mistake of trying to study everything. It's impossible in one night. Instead, look at your syllabus or any study guides your teacher gave you. Pick out the biggest, most important topics, the ones you know will be on the test or the ones you're least confident about. Write them down in a list so you have a clear plan to follow. Focusing on the most important stuff means you'll get the most points on the test with the least time. Trust me, this is where smart studying beats just grinding for hours. Step 3. Active learning beats passive reading. Here's a secret: just reading your notes over and over doesn't help as much as you think. Instead, use active learning. That means you quiz yourself, say things out loud, or try teaching the material to someone else, even if it's just your pet or a pillow. Try making flashcards or ask yourself questions and answer them without looking. When you force your brain to recall information, you're training it to remember it better. If you get stuck, go back and check your notes or textbook, then quiz yourself again. This back and forth is what really sticks in your memory. Step 4. Take smart breaks. Studying nonstop might feel like a good idea, but your brain actually needs breaks to stay sharp. Try the Pomodoro technique: study hard for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. During your break, get up and stretch, walk around, or take a few deep breaths. But don't get sucked into scrolling on your phone or watching videos. That'll just make it harder to get back to work. Taking regular breaks helps you avoid burnout and keeps your focus strong. Step 5. Make a cheat sheet. Next, grab a blank sheet of paper and write down the key formulas, vocabulary, dates, or important facts you need to remember. Keep it simple and clear. This isn't for cheating, it's for quick review and memory. Writing things down by hand actually helps your brain remember better than typing or just reading. When you finish, you'll have a handy one-page cheat sheet to glance over before the test or whenever you need a confidence boost. Warning: the cheat sheet is not for helping you cheat. Don't cheat. Step 6. Practice, practice, practice. Now, if you have access to practice tests, sample questions, or old quizzes, use them. Doing actual questions is the best way to prepare. When you get something wrong, don't just skip it. Take the time to understand why you missed it, then review that part in your notes. Learning from your mistakes is how you improve fast. And if you want to take it up a notch, try teaching the material out loud. Explaining something is one of the best ways to make sure you really get it. Step 7. Get some sleep. Even if you only have a few hours, do your best to get some sleep. Sleep is when your brain locks in everything you studied. It's like hitting the save button on a computer. Pulling an all-nighter might seem like a good idea, but studies show it actually hurts your performance. You'll be tired, less focused, and more likely to forget what you worked so hard to learn. Try to get at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Your brain will thank you. Step 8. Quick morning review and pep talk. If you have a little time in the morning, take a quick look at your cheat sheet or flashcards. This light review helps wake up your brain and refresh the info you studied last night. And don't forget to give yourself a little pep talk. Tell yourself you prepared smartly and that you can handle this test. Confidence really makes a difference, so take a deep breath, believe in yourself, and go crush it. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more study hacks and motivation. Drop a comment below with your favorite last-minute study trick. Good luck on your test, you've got this.